The Tesla stock has proven over the years that it is capable of not only short-term gains of over and rallies of over 200%,
Big year, buddy.
but also long-term capital gains and sustainable growth. This has been an all-too-familiar case for Tesla in the past, with many investors missing out on its massive rise due to the fact that it was undervalued. Stay tuned to the end of this video as we analyze how rich you would be in 2025 if you invested just $1,000 in Tesla stock starting from 2023, so that you also don't miss out on this massive opportunity. The Tesla stock has become the go-to stock for investors with futuristic visions that picture a world of autonomous vehicles, with artificial intelligence and cleaner energy sources being at the center of it all. It has enjoyed a massive surge in share price in recent years, reaching a peak of $409.97 in November of 2021. Some well-known investors claim that this rise was as a result of the bull run during the pandemic that caused a market bubble for many other technology stocks. Others also claim that this rise was a long overdue correction of its undervaluation, since the company had very solid fundamentals. With many Tesla stock analysis and bold predictions after its peak, investors of Tesla headed into 2022 with much expectation. However, the electric car company gave its investors the shock of a lifetime. The 2022 financial year will prove to be a difficult year for Tesla stock.
Buckle up.
Similar to other technology stocks that had rallied during the 2021 market bubble. Ironically, other stocks, particularly from oil companies, began to rise while the market sank, causing some investors to liquidate their Tesla stocks and invest in them. An early blow for those who held onto their Tesla stock came in the first quarter of the year, when the share price dropped by over 37% to $254.68 per share. It managed to rally back up as oil prices surged, and analysts began to predict the negative impact on oil supply due to the embargoes placed on Russia. If you are enjoying the analysis in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel for more insights on the stock market. Nonetheless, the short-term gains could not be maintained, and the Tesla share price experienced an even worse slump, falling to $209.38 in the second quarter of 2022. Still, many investors held on to their Tesla stock. However, the worst was yet to come. The steady decline of the share price made it unattractive to new investors. And with the year coming to an end, it dropped even further to $108, an astonishing 73% from its peak in 2021.
Terrible, horrible, no good, very bad, everything on pace for its worst ever month, quarter, and year. Joining us now to talk about.
Therefore, heading into 2023, many investors had a bleak outlook for the electric car company. Later in the video, we will highlight how the Tesla share price is performing in 2023. The best investors have been known for their ability to ride out downturns and buy the drop. They're like miners who see the gems among the rubble. With deeper analysis, the Tesla stock appears to be an amazing addition to any stock portfolio with a long-term view starting from 2023. The company is still one of the market leaders in electric and autonomous vehicles. And as the adoption of its products has increased, it still has its foot on the gas, driving innovation tirelessly. Tesla has invested more in new factories in various cities around the world and continues to be at the forefront of research and development. It has also implemented a number of organizational changes as it looks to strengthen its financial fundamentals. As we will later discuss, these changes are likely to have an effect on the share price of Tesla in the coming years. The company slashed car prices globally in a move many analysts claim is to boost car sales and revenues for the company. The move seemed to have worked as the company recorded some of its highest profits. The company is also reported to have received the go-ahead for the construction of a new manufacturing facility in northern Mexico. Like other tech companies, Tesla laid off several workers as it looked to cut its cost of production and increase profits. With all these developments, the Tesla stock has experienced some sort of rally from its 2022 lows, with a year-to-date increase of just over 68%. This means if an investor had bought $1,000 worth of Tesla stock at the start of 2023, he would have had a gain of over $680 in just the first quarter of the year. But it is not too late to join in on this price surge. With the adoption of artificial intelligence at an all-time high in 2023, it seems likely that Tesla would see this as an opportunity to increase the adoption of its self-driving cars in various parts of the world beyond just the United States. It is also predicted that sales of its semi-electric trucks will more than double in the coming year, with a deal with Pepsi already in the works. The share price of Tesla stock is likely to cross the $200 mark in 2023 and is likely to more than double by 2025 if it continues on its current trajectory. This means if an investor buys $1,000 worth of Tesla stock, it will be worth over $2,000 by 2025, a 100% increase in just 2 years. It will also be important for investors to chime in on this opportunity early on, with Tesla's share price still relatively low, since doing so later when the price has increased might mean that an investor will not enjoy the total price surge of the stock. In conclusion, the stock market is currently in a very volatile state as many stocks try to rally from a recession. The analysis of the Tesla stock in this video should not be taken as certified financial advice on which to trade on, but merely as an informative video. Always consult your financial advisor before making any trades. If you enjoyed the analysis in this video, be sure to watch the next video, which predicts 5 things Tesla is likely to do in 2023 to get its share price moving in an upward trajectory.